Welcome back to Trouble with Tish. I'm Tish and I be Trouble. And today we are being Trouble with a little hair dye. Also, we're going to open up some Ipsys. I got a bag and a box.
Troubles on the mind, hands around your throat, out in open waters trying to stay afloat. Remember to forget the future and the...
Alright, so like I said, we have a bag and a box. We're going to go ahead and open up the bag first. They are raising the price of this. I don't normally get the bag, but I decided to get a bag before they raise the price. Whatever. Alright, we have the Glammest Show on Earth. And Shop Our Glammest Gifts. And it's got a bunch of stuff you can buy. Woohoo! We got information! We never get information. Alright. So the first thing we have is, of course, the pink bag with the gold zipper pull. I'll probably end up giving that away. Alright, and of course this is all sample size items. Okay, the first thing we have is the Jecca Black Hydrate Primer, which, I mean, I'll try out, okay? And it says it is a deluxe sample. The full-size version is 20 milliliters and is 20 bucks. This one is 10 milliliters. So, I guess this would be 10 bucks worth of primer. Okay. The key to a flawless base that lasts all day. A prepped and primed face, of course. This 2-in-1 primer creates a smooth, even canvas for long-wearing makeup while also hydrating your skin with juicy ingredients like shea butter and aloe juice. And it says to gently tap a pea-sized amount all over your face before applying foundation and face makeup. We shall try it. Alright, the next thing we have is the Ciate London Watermelon Burst Setting Powder. And this is a deluxe sample. The full-size version is 15 grams and is $22. This is 5 grams. So a third of that. Alright, this multitasking setting powder keeps your makeup looking fresh for the long haul. It's translucent and weightless with a subtle shimmer that's so soft and pretty. Plus, it never feels drying thanks to the watermelon extract, hyaluronic acid, and vitamin E. It says to just sweep the powder wherever you need to set, like under your eyes and your T-zone. I mean, we'll try it. Alright, the next thing we have, I don't know about that powder. I'll probably put that powder in a giveaway. The next thing we have is the V Cosmetics Spotlight Strobing Powder and Illuminator in Autumn. It says the full-size version of the product is 7 grams and is $28. And this is 2 grams. So all eyes will be on your skin thanks to the sheer champagne illuminator. It's the perfect amount of glow, no sparkles in sight, and gives off a pearly, lit from within radiance. Plus, you can use it as an eyeshadow, highlighter, or even your body to give an ethereal sheen. Sweep the product over your cheekbones, cupid's bow, and brow bones. And I will probably put that in a giveaway as well. I don't know if I think I'm putting that up in front of my face. Well, alright. Then we have the Beauty Stat Universal C Skin Refiner. This is a deluxe sample. The full-size version of this product is 30 mils and is $85. This is 5 mils. Alright. The first of its kind, this vitamin C serum features 20% stabilized L-ascorbic acid, the purest form of vitamin C, to help bring brightness, clarity, and an overall more even tone to your complexion. Basically, The patented encapsulated system helps you get the fastest results. Morning and night, smooth a small amount over your dry, cleansed skin. All right. We'll try it. And then, last but not least, we have Zeesea Cosmetics Precision Liquid Eyeliner in Midnight Blue. This is a full size and it retails for $12. Thick flicks, kitten wings, graphic lines, and more. This deep blue liquid liner makes an eye look easy to achieve. The ultra-fine tip glides on your skin like butter, no tugging here, and delivers the perfect dose of color right where you want it. Hold the liner like a pen and draw along your lash line, flicking out into a wing at the corner. I don't know how to do wings. I don't think I should do wings because I've got these folds that don't really look good. I'm not going to open this yet. I'm going to practice doing a wing with my other liners. That might go in a giveaway. I'm not sure yet. So that is what we received in our very last Ipsy bag. Now I would pay $12 for this all day long. But I mean, I don't know. I try to be into the small little, sample sizes, but I don't think that I'm that person, you know? All right, now we have the Ipsy box. This is the Boxycharm by Ipsy. But it's Ipsy. Same crappy service, crappy value, Ipsy. And it did come covered. And it is full. All right, so one of these items I got as my, you pay like $15 extra a month and they give you like an extra product that's supposed to be like bougie. And there is 0 card, so that helps a lot, right? And we're just going to start off over here. Okay, we have the Glow on the 5th Beauty Replenish and Rehydrate Sheet Masks. It is a pack of 5, and that's perfect for Mask Monday. I did choose this item, I believe, so I like it. Oh no, it's 6 sheet masks. A fall-on spa day for your face. Replenish and Rehydrate delivers an instantly hydrated, firmer, lifted appearance in just 1 use. These powerful active ingredients quickly saturate the skin, infusing it with moisture to reduce the appearance of fine lines. Recommended for all skin types, but specifically helps target against dryness, dullness, and uneven skin tones. So I'm definitely going to use those. All right, and then we'll go with my picks. I picked the Love Craft Beauty Retractable Lip Liner and Brush in the shade Alien Kiss. And we have the brush on one end, which is soft, but also stiff enough that it's not gonna be messed up. And then this is the lip liner, and the tip is, so let's swatch it here. That's a lip liner. That's full on brown. I mean, maybe I shouldn't have swatched that. Didn't realize it was like full on dookie brown. Whatever. Alright, and then I picked the Drunk Elephant and Chris McMillan Silcamino Mega Moisturizing Shampoo. Moisturizing Cleanse. It's with Silcamino acids, marula oil, pH 6.4. It is taped shut. It is decent size, but I'm always down for a good shampoo. Hopefully it won't strip my hair. We're not coloring it for no reason. Alright, and then what they picked for me was the Zeesea OC, Ocean Eyes Age Defining Eye Serum. We are always down for some eye serum. Bioavailable formulas rich in earth and ocean essence deliver powerful skin solutions. Hydrating Gel Serum addresses all signs of aging around the eyes. Seaweed, hyaluronic acid, and plant-based peptides visibly smooth the look of fine lines and crow's feet. This lightweight formula reduces the appearance of dark circles and puffiness. On a clean, dry face, gently roll under eyes from the inner to outer corners. Allow serum to absorb. Use morning and night and keep out of eyes. Sorry, that tickled my funny bone. It does have a Best of Beauty Allure 2022 award winner seal, so there's that. Then we have this, and I'm assuming it said roll on the eyes, so I'm assuming it has a roller ball. Okay, so it twists off, and then we do have a roller ball. I'm not really a fan of roller balls when it comes to skincare. I mean, I'm not sharing my skincare, but at the same time, it seems a bit unhygienic. All right, and then the last thing that I got, they picked for me, and it is the Alamar Destino eyeshadow palette. Unlock your power and discover the endless possibilities our Destino eyeshadow palette has to offer. Whether you're looking for a shimmering pearl finish or creamy mattes that make a bold statement, our 10 unique shades blend together to create a mirage of beauty. Tap our shimmers on the lid with a dry finger for a dazzling pop of sheen, or spray your brush with a mist to activate maximum color payoff. That sounds snazzy. Alright, and then this is the component. And I know from watching other people that you slide this over to open the palette. It has a cover on here, plastic cover. But those are the shades. And then of course you to lock it. I mean, we'll try it out, see what we think. I'll add it to the wheel, and if we don't like it, we don't have to keep it. So there's always that. And the next thing I got, I'm actually going to pull out my personal one. So I got the Huda Beauty Empowered palette. Knowing I already have one. And that is the Color Story. So like I said, I knew I already had my own, but I wanted to get one to share. So I have a box over here that I am slowly adding things to so that I can give them away. And once the box is full, I shall give it away. Alright, so that is what we got from our Boxycharm by Ipsy. Alright, so I have a referral link down in the description box. I don't know if it is still going to be active because I've already canceled both of these subscriptions. And I'm going to be replacing it with another subscription. So, if you want to see what my new subscription box is going to be, go ahead and stick around. Like, comment, subscribe, all of that good stuff. I hope every single one of you has an absolutely amazing day, and I will see you all next time. Bye.
Troubles on the mind, hands around your throat, out in open waters trying to stay afloat.